Let's set up the tulip flower. Flower base on the floor, stem we mount on a rod this way. There is a skirt at the top of the stem. You stretch it a little bit so we have room for the flower head. Then we take our leaves. We have two. One is bigger and one is smaller. We start with the smaller one. Imagine where the position of the smaller leaf will be, approximately here, because I want to have my bigger leaf closer to the bottom. So there are 3 sticky tapes on each leaf. You peel them off. We attach leaf to the position where we want to have it, facing the way where we want to have it. Let's say this way. Then I wrap first one flap and then the second flap, and now it sits nice and tight. Now I fold it back a little bit, and I find at the back of my leaf a piece of for me double-sided sticky tape. I peel it off again, and I form a cone, like ice cream cone, and push it hard to make sure it sticks well. And now we bend it a little bit to that side, and this is it. The smaller leaf is done. Now we do absolutely the same with the bigger one. And normally in nature, tulip leaves, they have them facing opposite ways. If one faces this way, another one is here and a little bit lower. So I attach it and first wrap one flap, then second. Make sure it sits tight. I bend it a little bit. Then I find the sticky tape, peel it off. I wrap a cone, this way, and make sure that I push hard enough for secure sitting. And now I push it from that side, and I bend the end just a little bit. This is it. And now we need to mount the flower itself, the flower head. It is a triangle shape, and the stem is bended forward just a teeny tiny bit. If we put the flower that way into here, it will be leaning forward a bit. If you want it standing more upright, you may want to, there's a wire inside, you may want to bend it a little bit. And again, make sure that the skirt at the top of the stem is wide enough. It may be closed after traveling to your store. And now we slide it in, and that's it. Do not push the flower this way, you will damage the shape of it. And that's it. And this is our tulip.